Hi, I am Nishant. Today I'm going to dissect three flowers. So these are the flowers which I got. Let's start with this nice pink colored flower. First, let's count how many petals it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this plant has 5 petals. Ooh, you can see inside the plant the stigma is there. Now I'm going to try reaching the stigma. First, I'm just going to cut one part off in a round circular form. There. So this is the top part of the flower that makes insects get attracted to it. And now you can see the stigma clear. You can see the attachment which helps the plant get attached to the rest of the flower. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how the looks inside. There's one part and this is the main. So I think that this might be where the eggs are. So I'm gonna hold these down tight. I think that's all you can get. So let's dissect this flower too. So first, let us count how many petals does this flower have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This plant too has 5 petals. Gotta carefully open it. I'm taking this because okay. So here I reached a different plain white part. This plant doesn't have much in it, but it's good. I plucked out one of its parts to show you. Oh, there's a seed in it. Wow. There's an ovule in there. So what's in the stem? So this is how it is in the stem. So this is the flower which we dissected now, and this is the one which we dissected before. Now let's dissect the third and last plant. It's a nice creamy white color. Let's count how many petals does this flower have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This flower also has 5 petals. So let's dissect it. So as these are going around like this, you can see the difference. In which these two were in the same form of the petals. So these spread out, but they're going into each other, like a tornado helicopter thing. But these are just like boosters to poof up. This rolls around. It's like that. So first you pull the plant, like as they're going like this, you pull it open. Then you can slowly take the parts out. First, I'll just take this out like that. Cut it there. Ooh. You can see these small black things in the plant, which they're not that visible. Right here. first I'm just taking out the flower's petals. But I don't know how this one gets like pollen and all that, because this one doesn't have any stigma or anything. Oh, I know what's down here. Cut it with my nail. I cut this with my nail because I know what this fat part down here is. Yes, finally. So this part is where all the eggs are contained. I can't open it right away. So that's it for today. So these are the flowers that we dissected. One, a nice pink one with 5 petals. One more is another nice yellow one with 5 petals. And last but not least, the white flower, which has 5 petals also. So it is possible that most flowers' petals are counted as 5, because we took 3 different variants of flowers and they all had 5 petals. So yeah, thank you. Okay guys, so I take a little take back because I cut the the area where the seeds are contained, and so these are the seeds. Okay, so I cut the bottom part of the flower and I got the harcoon. The harcoon is this weird pointy part. So you can see that nice pink colored part. So that's the harcoon. So whenever it's like helps the plant to, like, the flower to hook up onto the plant. It just goes like the plant has this small areas, like for example like this. So this harcoon hooks up into that plant and ties up around it so that it can't go out. It's like that. So I cut one of the petals like this, trying to keep these scissors in it to separate it, open it. It's right in front of me. First, as it's not working because it's so thin, I got to cut it in the middle like this and see what is in it literally. Oh, so now you know. As I cut it into half, you can see that there's this small thin papery layer on this edge. It's very tough to see, yeah. So it's like it's 2 coats only and then it's just all paper. It's like that. So the parts which we found today in these 3 flowers are some petals as always, some spare parts for the plants, some carpel which are protected because there are ovaries in there. So we got totally 3 ovaries and 3 carpels and the stamen. So that's what we found in dissecting these 3 flowers. And anther, yeah, anther. Thank you.